Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I've got a completion review, just a quick one to show you from paintsomeway.com. And just a quick update on little bunny in a flower pot. Yeah, we did have some bits missing, unfortunately. So I did email Paint Some Way, and within 12 hours they were back to me saying, we're really sorry, we'll get the parts sent out to you as soon as possible. So yay, really good customer service on that. So I'll let you know once that arrives, and we'll do another little bit of an unboxing, and we'll get the bunny done for Easter. Yay! Okay, obviously there is a time difference between myself in the UK and Paint Some Way. So, you know, sometimes you'll email in your daytime and then they'll email you back in their daytime. So there is always a little slight lag, but I just think that was excellent. You know, they must have literally just got the email and replied straight away. So good customer service. Yay, this is what we like. Okay, so these are the bookmarks, the feather bookmarks that I got, and you got the full set of 6 for $9.99, which I thought was excellent value for money. Again, if you're wanting to raise some funds for yourself, for buying some more stash, or for schools or whatever, or for charities, then these are excellent. I mean, they're just so pretty. You've got your large gem at the end there on your arrow tip, and then all the colour coordination in the ends there. Quite a few of them have got the little silver coated marquees there, the iridescent coated marquees. Some of them haven't. They're all slightly different. They're quite bendable. Obviously don't bend them too far, they will snap. But I will say that, because if I say they're bendable and somebody says, oh, I bent mine and it snapped. But yeah, they're nice, flexible, we'll say. They're not bendable, they're flexible. So they're great. I mean, that's not too bulky to put into a book, actually. Or even as a back charm. Or just as a decoration on something. I mean, they are so pretty. You know, they just really do work so well. The only thing I did notice is the fact that everything sort of hangs that way, but you're putting your hanger on this end. So really everything should be hanging down that way, but that's just me being picky. I do need to seal them, that's why I've not put the like chain and the little charm through the little hole there. So that just literally pops through that hole there, if I can just get it pinched in enough just to go through there. Might need my tweezers. No, don't need my tweezers. Done it. I can see it this morning. Yay! Videoing a little bit earlier in the morning. My eyes are a bit better. So yeah, that just fastens onto there, and then you can put that in your book with your little charm hanging out, or you can put your charm in and have that hanging out, whichever you want to do. I know some people do quite a few sort of book folding. I don't know if you've seen them, where they fold the pages and they make different things on the book pages, and they turn the books actually into like sculptures. Well, I thought they would be quite pretty, because you've still got, even if you make a sculpture, in most cases you've still got the front cover of the book to decorate. So these would be quite nice as a decoration on the front cover of those books. So just another idea for them. But aren't they pretty? I'm not sure really which one is my favourite. That's pretty. Really, all the different colours on the feathers there and the flowers. I mean, I suppose it's got to be the hot pink, but I'm rather partial to this purple one here as well. The sparkle is just amazing on them. And then we've got the all blue one as well. So if you're wanting one for a gentleman, then that would be quite good. You see that one's hanging on the right way. No, it's not, is it? It's not hanging the right way. I was going to say that one's hanging the right way. No, the string really should have been there, shouldn't it? And the tassels coming down this way. But I'm just far too picky for my own good. What can I say? Okay, so that is your 6, 5. Where did I get 5 from? 6 little bookmarks. I mean, I would think you'd easily sell these for maybe $2.99 each if you're wanting to sell them. I don't know, it depends on where you live. I mean, some places you'd probably get £10 for them, you know. But they're great little presents as well, because people do still read. Yeah, if you like my mum, she loves reading books. She refuses to get an e-reader of any sort. So she still reads books, and children as well do read books. Maybe they're a bit pretty for younger children because they tend to like characters and cutesy things, don't they? But you never know, they might like the cute flowers. You never know. And it's a novelty as well, isn't it? So, plenty of stick on them, no trouble whatsoever with the gems sticking. All did, I think it took me, I think it was 2 hours. I think I did get up a couple of times for a drink or whatever in between, but I think I was diamond painting for about 2 hours, and I just literally went through and did them all together. So yeah, plenty of all the different colours. There was 20 different colours on this one, and only 2 special shapes. So one of the special shapes was the large round, which we only got the 6. But yeah, we had enough, no spares. But anyway, never mind. We've got a couple of spares of the marquees in the silver, so I'll get those put in my specials. And we've got a few crystals to put in my crystals jar. But yeah, these are all the colours. Hot pink. Yay, there's always a hot pink. Oh dear, I've had quite a few people comment now that whenever they see anything that's hot pink, they, yeah, go hot pink. Ah dear, I think that's really funny. It's not that's me that's going crazy. Okay, so I'll pop those back there for now because they'll be going into my crystals. And we'll pop these away. Oh, we did, that's the bag look without any spares in. But I mean, they are just super. And they're probably quite pricey as well because they are a very, very big gem there. Look, really big teardrop. See if it'll focus. Come on, focusing. That's it. Yay. Okay. Right, so just grab my crystals jar, which is getting full. We're over halfway full now, look. Don't know if you can quite see yet. Over halfway full. So, wow. I'm looking at various things to do to fill in little things up. Like little snow globes and things like that. And little decorations. So I've got all sorts of ideas, but I just can't quite find the thing that I want to fill the jars or the little containers to fill them up with. But oh, I've got an odd red one in there. I'll have to fish those out at some point. So that is those. Sorry, it is my chair squeaking, not me. And we'll just put the little marquees away. Da, 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 da. So we want silver marquees. Okay, so this is a very quick video. Marquees, marquees, marquees. Because there's not much to put away. Okay, could they be those? They could be those. Let's have a look. And if they are, this is an exceptionally quick video. Right. Oh, they've not got an AB. Or have they got an AB coating on? Do you know, I don't think they have, so I'm going to put them in the marquees without an AB coating on. So let me have a look in this side, see if I've got any here. I thought I had. I know they've all got AB coatings on. Oh, okay, I'm going to put them on their own for now then. I'm going to put them on their own. No, okay. Let me just grab a bag and put them on their own for now. And then we will sort them out at a later point when we're sorting our gems out a little bit more. Okay. So they can now go in there. Right. Pop those away. Okay, well, as I say, just a quick video, just a completion review on these, and just to let you know about the customer service from Paint Someway. So once again, huge thank you to Paint Someway for sending me these to show you, and for getting back to me about the bunny. Can't wait for the bunny to come, yay! If you've enjoyed looking at this with me, as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated, and any comments or questions in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe. Press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, and then you get told when any of my videos come up, so you won't miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.